So I literally decided to open an account with Whatnot. And Gary Vee has been talking nonstop about Whatnot. He has talked about how basically live selling is the new it thing. And obviously TikTok shop is also the new it thing. So I was like, let me look at it for myself, because not only do I have like clothes that obviously I sell on Poshmark, which are like branded stuff like Free People, Joy, other brands as well. So not only do I have that, right? I also have beauty products. My husband used to sell on Amazon, so he has like toys and shoes and all these different things. So I have those products. Plus I have like inventory that I don't post on my new brand, Eltonage. Like it doesn't align with the resort wear category. So I still have that type of inventory as well that needs to be sold somewhere. So I decided to download Whatnot, and I wanted to look at what they were doing, like other brands that are like other people that are similar to like selling clothing, contemporary clothing, boutique clothing, what they're actually doing. And I was looking at this one girl, and she was literally, oh yeah, so this is the details of the dress, blah blah blah. It has this, it's this color, this and that, and then it goes to this size. And she literally put, okay, now we're gonna start the bid. She started the bid, it was like an auction one. Started the bid and then started the bid at $1. It went from $1 all the way up to, some of them went up to $41, $51. And it was insane. I was like, in the matter of minutes. So it was like a 20-second thing. And I'm like, what have I been doing this whole time? Why have I not been on Whatnot? Hello. So your girl got excited. And I scheduled a Whatnot live for today at 12 during my lunch break. So we're gonna see how this works, because if it hit, you know? So we're gonna see. I wish I could record it at the same time as I'm recording. Actually, I think I could. I gotta charge this phone though. But we're gonna see if it works out. I already have my mannequin set up back there. And then I'm gonna, my husband's like, you don't have no setup or anything. And I'm like, I know, but I'm gonna try it out. Because I could set up everything like my store. Like I could put my sign up. I could put the racks up. And then just have everything like set up as a store in my garage. Which obviously I plan on doing, but I just wanted to test this out to see how it goes. Obviously, still have to work on the setup. So this is all the setup I have today. I'm wearing a dress that I'm gonna try to sell, and then also the mannequin's the one that I'm gonna try to sell as well. And we'll see how we do on the first round. And I actually have this set up on here. So you can already see that one person has joined, which is crazy. But we haven't even gone live yet. So it's very interesting that one person has joined already. And we go live in 2 minutes and 34 seconds. So we'll see how this goes. I'm just literally like just trying it out for the first time, and I don't know, we'll see what comes of it. But I just saw another girl, and she was selling things like her bid started at $50 or $100, and people were actually buying it. So that's actually really crazy, because that tells me that maybe my bid, I put it at $20 starting just because it's also new, but I also have to be okay with if this sold for this amount, will I be okay? And I'm only offering one each. So just to see how it goes, because I just don't know how the first one will kind of go. But we will see and kind of go from there. But also what I realized is people don't put the actual product, so they don't put the product name and all that. What they do is they have one product that they do for a bid for whatever amount, and then it's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So labeling everything is actually very important, which is what I realized. So I think I would have to do that going forward. But yeah, it's 45 seconds, so let's go ahead and go. Okay, so I am currently live. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for coming in. Hi. Okay, let's recap, guys. Oh my gosh, like I can't even believe this. Like I'm so shocked because if I wouldn't have did it, I would have never known. So I literally made 5 sales. 5 sales. I can't believe I made 5 sales. And that's just me going off a whim. And I was literally on there for about 45 minutes. And I made 5 sales because it's not me just sitting around not doing anything. I'm on my lunch break and I just made 5 sales. So now I gotta figure out how to ship it. So I think I need to get a setup together to be able to do this. I need to get I need to label all of the products and have like number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Yeah. And then I need to set up my tripod in a way that they can see the entire product, because a lot of people, I had to like move my phone around so that they can see the entire length of me, so they can see how it fits on me. But I'm just like, I just don't know what to say. Like, I just think that's God, yo. Like, because like, for instance, today, I wasn't even planning on going on Whatnot. Like, this morning, I had texted my husband. I saw a video. I think I saw a video about Whatnot. I don't know if Gary Vee was talking about it or somebody was talking about it. But I saw a video and I was like, oh, babe, I texted my husband. He was dropping off my son. And I texted him, I was like, babe, you should go on Whatnot. We need to sell this stuff that we have on Whatnot. Because we have, obviously, I have clothes. He has, like, kid stuff, like Play-Doh stuff. He has, like, which some of them I'm probably going to donate to my son's school. But he has, like, Legos, like, beauty products, because he used to sell on Amazon. And obviously I have clothes, and obviously with the store shutting down the other day, like I'm just like in a whole trying to figure out what to do, right? And I'm like, okay, you know, like I was more so doing it for him, and then I was just like, let me check it out, because I had an account before, and when I saw the account before, I was like, this, like, it's giving more of, like, vintage, like, more of thrifting type of vibes, and not really, like my type of vibe. So I was like, I don't know, I just deleted my account. So I just recently did my account again, and I was like, okay, let me try to see how, like, today I made an account. Today I got verified. Today I was like, okay, let's see what's what. And I'm like, I was telling my husband, I'm like, I want to just jump on here at 12 o'clock and schedule it and see how it goes. Because then they match your sales up to 150 or something like that. So I was like, I'm going to see how it goes. So I planned it for 12 o'clock, and I got ready and everything, and I did it. And I just, if I didn't get that urge, or if I didn't get that push, and obviously the push comes from somewhere, right? If I didn't get that push, then I wouldn't have did it. And I just was like, let me just do it. Let me just go out there and just do it. And I just ended up doing it, and I made 5 sales. And they are so supportive. Like, I think I found my people, because they are so supportive on there. They are so, like, one girl, she like boosted my store, like boosted my live, and she paid like $5 to do that. She bought from me. The other, like, one of the girls, she was telling people, hey, she'll be right back, like she's going to get some, like, it was just so, like, I don't know, I kind of want to cry, but then again, like, I'm not gonna cry, but like, I'm so emotional, and I'm just like so happy, like, I did it, and I just got outside of myself and just did it, and I just was like, okay, like, let's just try it. Okay, so I got all the items ready, and one of them actually has a sensor on it, because remember, I ran out of my store last week, so they all had sensors on them, like some of them. So this one actually has a sensor. One of them I was able to take off, but what I did was I ordered a magnet to take it off, because I want to take it off in the safest way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pack the order, and then just take out the one that actually needs a sensor. So I want to show you guys my bags for the bags I have. Okay, so this is the El Tenage bags. So they have seashells on them. They're so cute. And it has, of course, our logo and our website. So the goal, of course, I'm selling on whatnot, but the goal is to divert them back to my website. So it just makes sense to send it in that package. And then I can also send them a handwritten note. That would be super cute as well, to thank them for joining my whatnot. So I have to figure out, because I used to have thank you cards. I don't know where they are, so I may have to order some thank you cards so that I can send it to them. Especially the ones like these 2 girls that bought from me. One of the 2 girls that bought from me, they were so supportive. They boosted my live, and they were so sweet. So I do want to send them a thank you note. Maybe I'll send them something free too. That'll be kind of cute. So we'll see what I'll do. But that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching my improv video right now. Thank you.